Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into an important topic for content creators: how to protect your videos on X. With so much content being shared online, it's essential to ensure your work remains secure and reaches the right audience. So let's get started with the steps you need to follow to safeguard your videos. First, launch the X app on your Android device. This is the foundation for accessing all the settings we'll be adjusting. Next, tap your profile icon. You can find your profile picture or the navigation menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Once you're there, tap on Settings and Support, and then select Settings and Privacy. This is where we'll start customizing your privacy settings. Now, tap on Privacy and Safety. Here, you'll find various options to manage who can see your content and how it can be shared. Next, look for Audience and Tagging. This section is crucial for controlling who interacts with your videos. Finally, enable the Protect Your Videos option. By doing this, you'll be taking a significant step toward ensuring that your content remains protected and is shared only with your chosen audience.